Hey, what's up guys? Want to send money from Cash App to PayPal? There's no direct way, but I've got a simple workaround using your bank account. Let's go and do this. First, grab your phone and open Cash App. Tap the Money app, it's the $ at the bottom, hit Cash Out. Pick the amount you want to send and choose your linked bank account. Go with Standard for free if it takes 1 to 3 days or Instant for a small fee if you're in a rush. Tap Cash Out to send it. Now, chill for a bit. If you've picked Standard, wait 1 to 3 days for the money to hit your bank. Check your bank to make sure it's there before moving on. Instant transfers show up in minutes. Once the money's in your bank, open the PayPal app, tap Wallet, then add money. Select your linked bank account, the same one you use in Cash App, and enter the amount. Hit Add and confirm. Standard takes a few days, or pick Instant for a fee to get it faster. Give it a sec, then check your PayPal balance, and boom, your money's there. You're all set to use it however you want. Just make sure both apps are linked to the same bank account to keep it smooth. That's it. Super easy, right? No direct transfer, but this bank trick works every single time. Drop a like if this helped and subscribe for more money hacks. Catch you next time.